This is the second part of our boat projects video. In part one, we started our solar panel install and had to call in a welder to fix the rack design. In this part, we were kicked out of the Fort Pierce City Marina. We finished up that solar project. We have a look at the view from the top of our mast. Danielle lets the new name of the boat slip, and we share an inspirational moment.
Oh, now. And not the ocean breeze. Oh.
So wait, so the big reveal for everybody that's been waiting, Danielle just gave it away. So we got kicked off of the dock at the Fort Pierce Marina, and we're waiting for this giant boat at another marina just across the river to get on the boat, and they're trying to get on the dock. There's a heavy current in here, and on the radio someone just called for a mayday. So we've got drama everywhere.
So this is the big boat in question. It's just having a really, really hard time docking.
This is what happened to the big boat that was in front of us while we were trying to get in the marina. I don't know if you can tell, but on the starboard side, the right, as you're looking at the back of the boat, it's listing a little bit because they are right now on land. They ran aground trying to get in here. There's a big shoal out there and they hit it. And I think they're waiting for high tide to come up, and we're concerned that they're going to try and get right there. And when they came in, they hit that sailboat that's rocking back and forth. They actually hit it. Oh, it looks like they're moving the sailboat up towards us. Good. So if they're going to hit anybody, they're going to hit them again. Drama unfolded. By the way, we're at Causeway Cove Marina. We were here in one of our other videos. We'll leave a little info card up above. And it was just, there was too much looseness going on. So that's why I got the welder involved. And then he welded it crooked, and now we're back to the circus. Back to the circus. Okay, boss, that works. Is it hot?
The little pieces, the burning pieces are going on. It's that hot. It's that hot. It's that hot.
Use the towel there. You see the big towel? Hey, use the big towel.
No, that's really good.
It's going to go on your arm still. All right. You ready? It's burning. I don't care about your arm. It's burning my dinghy. Here we are. It's the moment of truth. I just turned our inverter off and I plugged in all of the solar panels. It's been a gigantic fight trying to get them mounted up there. If you look here, you can see right now we have 13 volts of battery power. And that is the batteries are charged. I am about to go and uncover the solar panels. We covered them up on the roof so that they wouldn't be creating electricity when I plug things in. And I just turned on, underneath I turned on the breaker that will let power go into the solar, or into the batteries from the solar panels. So now we're going to create some energy. Maybe. Or something bad will happen. Either way, we're going to find out. Okay, the sheets are off, and let's have a look and see if we've got more voltage. I think I'm right about the voltage, and look at that, 14 volts. Ding, ding. going into the batteries. So,
Awesome.
So far it looks like our solar panels are a success after 3 weeks of ridiculousness. Yay!
Margaritas and waffles.
Margaritas and waffles, we got power. Yay! I'm so glad to almost be done with that. In preparation for something very, very special, you can see what might be missing on the back of the boat. And soon we'll have a great transformation. Danielle's working hard. It's been her big project for a couple months. Are you excited?
I am.
Yeah?
Yeah, new stuff on soon.
Let's see your technique. Quickest way to remove vinyl lettering from a boat. What's going on, sweetie?
We have Alan here from Inkhead Graphics after a giant debacle of finding somebody to put on our boat lettering and decals in the Fort Pierce area. We were fortunate enough to stumble upon Inkhead Graphics, which just had an awesome team of designers that took the beginning design that I started and then had my girlfriend Beth from First Net Impressions in Eau Claire refine and get into the format of logo files that I needed. So we're so happy with this, and we've got Vuja Day on the boat now, and it kind of feels like it's finally our boat now and not the ocean breeze. Oh.
So wait, so the big reveal for everybody that's been waiting, Danielle just gave it away.
Woohoo!
Hello once again. Danielle and I drew straws and I lost, and guess who gets to go way up there? Actually, what happened was we have a main halyard, that's this yellow line right here that pulls our mainsail up. It is chafing. It's got a bunch of holes in it basically, and we're just about getting ready to go back across the Gulf Stream and go back to the Bahamas, and we want to make sure that the rigging is good. Danielle's gonna put me up there. I'm gonna shoot with the GoPro on my head to give us kind of perspective of what it looks like from the top of our mast. I'll look at things up there. I have no idea what I'm looking at, so it doesn't make a difference anyway. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out how to tie this halyard up, and we'll have a brand new really nice piece of rope that brings our mainsail up and down. Thanks to Dave Hurd, he got this to us. You'll be seeing him in a bunch of our videos from time to time.
And my mom drowned all the dumb kids, and I just barely made it. So respect that, period.
So thanks, Dave. We appreciate it. And hey, thanks for watching. If this is the last time I ever see you because I come tumbling down to the deck,
Don't say that.
at least you'll be able to see it happen. That's the Fort Pierce City Marina. That's where we stayed, and it was really nice staying there. You can see downtown Fort Pierce just behind it. But that's Seaway Drive, going over the causeway in the Indian River Lagoon. That's the just past the parking lot for our marina. There is the inlet. That's the Fort Pierce Inlet. Mission accomplished. You can see all of this extra rope. Dave got us way more, probably 100 feet more than we needed. There's the main halyard right there in that block. And right now, what we're gonna do is the test, because it's supposed to pull that main up, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull that main up, make sure that everything works well, look over the main, and this job's done. Maybe we'll go and play on the new bug slinger, or probably do more projects. I feel like it's a great time for an inspirational moment. I had never been up a mast in my life. This is the first time even in that thing that lifted it up, the bosun's chair. All you sailors out there will know what that is. I'd never spliced two pieces of line together, two halyards together, never put a halyard on. Now, I may have done something at the top that won't hold and it'll break and we'll have to go and do it again. But right now, you can see the sail is up, and I just went through some tutorials online and took it slow, and it wasn't that bad. Like most things in life, if you just try to figure it out, you can do it. And that's the goal of this channel as well, is to hopefully give some incentive to all you guys out there that, you know, you're trying to figure some stuff out in life, whatever it might be, trying to change your life, you're trying to live different. You can do it. Just take it slow, fail in little pieces. I'm sure glad I didn't fail on this one, because it was an awfully long way up to the top of that mast. But fail small and learn as you go, and you can do it. You can do what you want to do, and there you go. We have a new halyard. The sail is up. The hardest stuff we had to do is done. Soon we'll be in the crystal clear blue waters of the Bahamas, and I'm going to be fishing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, live life different.